Okay, for number 8, it says, what is the area of the trapezoid? Leave in radical form. So for this one, first of all, we need to find this segment length, which is 8. And we know that by comparing it to the top of the rectangle, making the whole length of this base 11 centimeters. Okay. Then, secondly, we need to find the height of this trapezoid. And because I'm not given an angle measurement, I could use Pythagorean theorem on this to find h. So that would be 3 squared plus h squared equals the hypotenuse, which is 9 squared. 3 squared is 9. And then 9 squared is 81. If I subtract 9 from both sides, we get 72. And then the square root of both sides, well, that is definitely not a perfect square, so I will have to simplify the radical. So if I break apart 72, we could use 6 and 12. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 2s and 2 3s. So that would be 2 times 3 is 6 on the outside, with a leftover 2 on the inside. Then, to find the area of the trapezoid, now that we have our height, we would do 1/2 times the height, which is 6 radical 2, times the sum of the bases, so base 1, 8, plus base 2, 11. So I would simplify this part first. What is half of 6? Which is 3. Bring the radical 2 down. And then 8 plus 11 is 19. And then lastly, I would take the 3 times 19 and get 57 radical 2. And then that would be centimeters squared, because that is your final answer. Okay, in number 9, for this one, normally we have to draw the triangle. There's a triangle given to you. So the base of a triangle is 4 more than twice the height of the triangle. So the height is h, but the base is 2 times the height plus 4 more. So let's review area of a triangle. There's your formula. We know that the area is 24 feet. Okay. We also know that the base is the 2h plus 4 times the height, which is just h. Our goal is to find the variable h and plug it into this here to get our base. So I am going to distribute my half first. So this would give me h plus 2 times h, and then I distribute that h and get 24 h squared plus 2h. But now we need to have that into standard form, so we're going to bring that 24 over by subtracting it. So h squared plus 2h minus 24 equals 0. So I need to do an x factor on this problem, so that would be negative 24. And we're trying to get to 2. So we could use 12 and negative 2. Nope. Let's use 6 and 4. So 6 and negative 4. So we would have h minus 4, h plus 6 equals 0. And then to find our h value, we set each expression equal to 0. So here we have h is 4, and then here we have h is negative 6, and we discussed in class that we can't have a negative value for a measurement. So negative 6 is out, and we're going to use h equals 4, so 4 feet for height, And then if I plug 4 in, this would give me 8 plus 4, which is 12 feet.